Whoa, go right, that way.
That way? And then straight?
Yeah, that's that way.
What?
Oh, ran over something.
What? Ran over Let me try, Daddy.
All right, let Brittany. Hold on. Push the brake. All right, keep the brake down. Okay.
Now you turn it. It's really hard. I mean, if you only press on the pedal a little bit, it goes super fast. Okay. Don't let that down.
All right, Brittany. Huh?
Which one's stop and which one's go?
Push the brake.
Which one's brake?
That one, the big one. Push it down. Okay, let off. The right one's the gas. That way. Just don't run over the fence.
Okay, so the silver one
Stop.
stop.
Luck on a Texas Saturday night, brought to you by Syntex Roofs.
The silver one stop.
Yeah, that left one stopped, right one's, that one stopped, that one's gas. Okay?
Oh!
Right one's gas, that one's gas right there.
Oh, okay. You never show me! Oh, slow it down a little.
How's the temperature gauge look?
Where?
Right there.
Good.
That's good. Keep an eye on that. We don't want to overheat. Look over. Whoa! Try to watch out for big logs.
Can I drive again? Hey! Where's John? Well, it doesn't look like it's fast. You're driving. You want to drive? Okay, I'm driving next. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Oh, Benny's
Woohoo! Whoa! That way.
dog's like, oh, I see a cat in the field.
Whoa! Don't turn too sharp. That way.
That way?
Well, whatever.
Oh, there you are. No, it was a stay.
Brock didn't have all this little deals everywhere. We could go driving around wherever.
Taller.
Slower! Killing me. Worse than Josh.
She is at.
She likes that gas pedal and keep going straight.
I'm not that bad as her.
No, my wine's going everywhere.
Oh, it's clean up those water. Empty it if you're getting mad of it.
Oh boy, it's hard to keep the camera still when we watch this. We're gonna all be dizzy. Okay, that's it.